Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Fish Mandi. Step 1. Grilled fish marination. 250 grams basa fish fillet. Add some salt. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Add water. Mix well. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Drain, wash and pat them dry. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon coriander chili paste. 1½ tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. 1/2 teaspoon ginger garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon fish seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds. Pinch of saffron food color. Rub the spices well on the fish. Squeeze some lemon juice. Add some oil. Coat the masala properly on the fish. Let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, make the mandi rice. Step 2. Making mandi rice. Take 1 tablespoon butter. Add some oil so butter doesn't burn. Add whole spices, 2 cinnamon, 2 dried lemons, 2 bay leaves. 1/4 teaspoon black peppercorns, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamoms and 1 star anise. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. Roast for 2 minutes. Add 1 chopped onion. Fry until translucent. Add 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon mace nutmeg powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon fennel powder. 1 teaspoon mandi masala. 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder. 1/4 teaspoon clove cinnamon powder. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Roast the masala well. Add 8 to 10 almonds cut into halves. 2 tablespoons raisins. Roast well. Add 1 cup of water. Eight to 10 saffron strands. Salt according to rice. Add some lemon juice. 500 grams basmati rice soaked and washed. Combine well. Add water according to rice. Give it a good mix. Dries out the water. Cover and cook 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Our flavorful mandi rice is ready. Dish out. Remove the rice in a serving dish. Step 3. Grill the fish. Add some oil in a pan. It's time to grill the marinated fish. Put the fish on hot pan or bake in the oven. Pan fried on medium flame 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Flip and cook another sides. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until brown. Our delicious pan-grilled fish without oven is ready. It's time to plate. Put grilled fish on mandi rice. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Sprinkle some cilantro. Serve with any salad or lemon wedges. Sliced onion. Green chutney, or you can also have them with Dakkous Chutney. Our lip-smacking fish mandi or fish shawarma rice is ready to serve. Squeeze some lemon juice. Perfect David party lunch is ready. Juicy tender grilled fish is ready. Do try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in comment section. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.